Hello, we are Forces of Nature, a team of former pupils from George Heriot School. Throughout our project, we have aimed to increase awareness and knowledge of sustainable living, focusing particularly on waste, by targeting school children as they will be the key policy and decision makers influencing the future.
We tackled this aim from two different perspectives. First of all, we focused on education regarding recycling and reducing energy waste in order to motivate and inspire the younger generation. Secondly, we provided the school with an opportunity to install a clear and efficient recycling system.
We visited two different age groups, those in P6 at Blackhall Primary School and an S1 group of 120 children at Dollar, drawing up plans for sessions based on the individual needs of the age groups we were targeting. At Blackhall, one of our activities included the use of recycled materials to make a sculpture, which engaged the children with the concept of reusing. We also organised a poster competition where they were asked to design a superhero with a sustainability-related power and explain why it was important in current society. At Dollar, we undertook a workshop where groups designed a product they believed would help address some of the key issues we face today, such as overconsumption of fossil fuels. We tried to emphasise sustainability as a concept not solely related to the environment, but essentially interlinked to social development, and this was reflected in the ideas produced, with pupils thinking about how their products would influence communities. Finally, the feedback we got from the teachers and pupils involved indicated strong enthusiasm from both parties, with the workshops increasing knowledge not only on sustainable living, but also encouraging key skills such as innovative thinking and teamwork.
As a means of providing a template for other schools to follow, we set up a new waste system within our school, George Heriot's. Not only was this the perfect opportunity for us to set an example to other schools around Scotland, but it was a chance to vastly improve a system that was highly disorganised and inefficient. Not only was the waste managed poorly, but also the setup was highly inefficient. The general waste sent to landfill was emptied 5 times a week, whereas the recycling was collected only once. We calculated that 186 kilograms of general waste per day was taken to landfill compared to 20 kilograms of recycling. Much of the materials sent to landfill could easily be recycled. BIFA has a simple system in place which allows most recyclable materials to be put in the same container. We plan to set up recycling bins around the school in place of general waste bins. The bins in classrooms and corridors would be removed and replaced by a communal recycling point on each floor of every building. The bins are a pair, one general waste and one dry mixed recycling. However, we weren't able to complete this task in the time frame set, as the system within the school takes a while to be changed. Waste audits have been undertaken and we have given our plan to the estates manager, who will ultimately control the new system. More immediate work is raising awareness of our project around the school. We conducted an assembly which promoted the new system and launched a poster competition to design the outside of the bins. We project by the end of 2015, the school will have reduced the amount of times the general waste is emptied to 3 times a week and increased the recycling bins removal to 3 times a week.
Assuming a constant quantity of waste is discarded throughout the year, we believe that the overhauled recycling system will reduce the 9.5 tonnes of waste going to landfill annually to 5 tonnes, and the 1 tonne of recycled materials can be raised to match the projected general waste value. Due to major changes in the school management system, there have been a large delay in the implementation of the bins, but we will see that they are in place as soon as possible. We will then have provided the school with both the means and the motivation to recycle effectively, and we hope that future year groups will continue our legacy to help lower the quantity of waste going to landfill.